random events. They signify a fundamental weakness of existing marketplaces, a weakness, as we'll explain, that is tied to price. Because the flaw is linked to price, not all marketplaces are suffering. In fact, some markets, less reliant on price, are outright thriving. Just about the time eBay and Yahoo got into trouble, a more recent internet startup, BlaBlaCar, was doing amazingly well. Founded in Europe by a young Frenchman bitten by the internet bug during graduate studies at Stanford, BlaBlaCar, much like eBay, operates an online marketplace, albeit a highly specialized one. It is in the business of helping people share car rides by matching those offering a ride with those looking for one. And it does so very well, matching millions of riders every month and growing quickly. Whereas eBay's original focus was on price-based auctions, BlaBlaCar's marketplace offers participants rich data about each other, ranking details such as driver chattiness, hence its name, so users can easily search and identify the best matches for them, and downplaying the importance of price. Ride-sharers can select price only within a limited range. BlaBlaCar's ride-sharing market isn't alone in using rich data. From internet travel site Kayak to online investment company SigFig to digital labor platform Upwork, more and more markets that use data to help participants find better matches are gaining traction and attracting attention. In this book, we connect the dots between the difficulties faced by traditional online markets, the error of the stock market's trusted pricing mechanism, and the rise of markets rich with data. We argue that a reboot of the market fueled by data will lead to a fundamental reconfiguration of our economy, one that will be arguably as momentous as the Industrial Revolution, reinventing capitalism as we know it. The market is a tremendously successful social innovation. It's a mechanism to help us divvy up scarce resources efficiently. That's a simple statement, with enormous impact. Markets have enabled us to feed, clothe, and house most of 8 billion humans, and to greatly improve their life expectancy as well as life quality. Market transactions have long been social interactions, making them superbly well aligned with human nature. That's why markets seem so natural to most of us, and are so deeply ingrained in society's fabric. They are the building blocks of our economy. To do their magic, markets depend on the easy flow of data and the ability of humans to translate this data into decisions. That's how we transact on markets, where decision-making is decentralized. This is what makes markets robust and resilient, but it requires that everyone has easy access to comprehensive information about what's available. Until recently, communicating such rich information in markets was difficult and costly. So we used a workaround and condensed all of this information into a single metric: price. And we conveyed that information with the help of money. Price and money have proved to be an ingenious stopgap to mitigate a seemingly intractable challenge. And it worked, to a degree. But as information is compressed, details and nuance get lost, leading to suboptimal transactions. If we don't fully know what is on offer, or are misled by condensed information, we will choose badly. For millennia, we tolerated this inadequate solution, as no better alternative was available. That's changing. Soon, rich data will flow through markets comprehensively, swiftly, and at low cost. We'll combine huge volumes of such data with machine learning and cutting-edge matching algorithms to create an adaptive system that can identify the best possible transaction partner on the market. It will be easy enough that we'll do this even for seemingly straightforward transactions. Suppose, for instance, that you're looking for a new frying pan. An adaptive system